Step number 1 we have discussed. From the beginning, opening balance of cash control account should be compared with opening balance of bank statement. If opening balance is not equal, previous month reconciliation it is given. Previous month reconciliation should be compared with this month bank statement. That part we have discussed. Second steps, cash receipt journal should be compared with credit side of the bank statement. Also we have discussed. Now third steps, think cash payment journal. Cash payment journal should be compared with debit side of the bank statement. Cash payment journal available. Cash payment journal available. Issue checks. If those are presented, it is available debit side of the bank statement. Therefore, third steps, cash receipt journal, cash payment journal should be compared with debit side of the bank statement. Now think about step number 3. There are 4 steps should be applied when we are going to find out reason for difference. Closing balance of cash control account and bank statement. Then this is the third step. Cash payment journal should be compared with debit side of the bank statement. Cash payment journal available, issue checks. Think about check number also. You have to compare with check numbers also. Therefore, think about check numbers. That check number, value columns, check number as well as value. Think bank statement debit side also. Think 125,000 checks. Check number also think about it is available 125,000. First one presented this month. As let's think about 100,000 and 160,000 as well as 200,000. Think check number 41, 42, 44, 45. Also available both sides. If those are available both sides, tick mark. Think 138,000. There is no tick marks. As well as here, think about 100. Same check recorded twice. This one very important. This is an error made by business. Think check number also same. Transaction drawings. It is available other column also. Twice recorded same checks. That is an error made by business. Cash payment journal prepared by the business. Same check recorded twice. That is an error made by business. Should be adjusted in the cash control accounts. Think cash payment journal should be compared with debit side of the bank statement. Now see the bank statement debit side. Think check number as well as value 68,000 as well as 91,000. Available both sides, tick mark. See the bank statement from the beginning. As well as given, think about 48, 50, 51. Check numbers also think about. If those are available both sides, tick mark. Issue as well as presented this month also. That is the meaning. If it is available both sides, it means issue this month as well as presented also this month. As well as think about this checks 164,000 as well as 75,000. 164,000 as well as 75,000 available both sides. Tick mark. Now see the cash payment journal. Cash payment journal, if there is no mark, those are the unpresented checks normally. Normally unpresented checks. But think about here 200,000, same check recorded twice. This is not unpresented. This is the error made by business. Same check recorded twice in the cash payment journal. Cash payment journal prepared by the business. Therefore, this one error made by banks. Think same check recorded twice in the cash payment journal. Other columns available drawings. Think about it. Therefore, cash payment journal available information should be recorded cash control account credit side. Therefore, this value twice credited cash control account also. For correction, cash control account debit as a drawings. This one cash control account debit as a drawings 2,000. Drawings recorded same check recorded twice. All other checks, if there's no mark, those are the unpresented checks. Therefore, first one 2,000 adjusted cash control accounts. Debit side. Recent cash payment journal available information available in the cash control account credit side. And දෙපාරක් credit කරලා දෙන්නේ එකපාරක් debit කරන්න ඕන. As drawings. Adjusted cash control accounts debit 200,000 as a drawings. That is an error made by business. Description drawings. Description drawings. All other checks, if there is no tick mark, think about cash payment journal. All other check, if there is no tick mark, those are the unpresented checks. Think check number as well as value also. Think it has given 138,000, 164,000 as well as 280,000. Unpresented. Issue but not presented. Not available bank statement. Normally checks can be used 6-month period. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ මාස issue කරපුවා මේ මාසෙම present වෙන්න ඕන නැහැ. මාස 6ක් ඕන නම් use කරන්න පුළුවන් අපි. Therefore issue this month but not presented. Those values will be included in the bank reconciliation statement. Unpresented check should be added. Unpresented check should be added. Therefore, check number as well as value should be recorded. Right now, cash receipt journal or cash payment journal also we have discussed. Cash payment journal. Now see the bank statement. Bank statement also, if there is no tick mark, those values should be recorded. Normally adjusted cash control accounts. But sometimes it has given error made by banks also. If it has given error made by banks, those values should be recorded. Statement of bank reconciliation. Cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, as well as cash control accounts. Cash payment journal information should be recorded. Now think about bank statement. Bank statement also, if there is no mark, those values should be recorded. Adjusted cash control accounts. Now see the bank statement. Credit side available information should be recorded. Debit side in the adjusted cash control accounts. Normally credit පැත්තේ mark එකක් වැදිලා නැත්නම් අපි debit කරන්න ඕන. Debit පැත්තේ mark එකක් වැදිලා නැත්නම් credit කරන්න ඕන. Think about directly deposit by debtor 2,1,000 available credit side. it should be recorded debit side of the adjusted cash control accounts 200,000, 200,000. Those are realized, those check realized. It has available cash receipt journal also. Now think about 200,000 directly deposited by debtor, adjusted cash control accounts. Debit side 200,000. That is a directly deposited by debtor as a debtor control accounts. There is a double entry. Debtor control account credit, adjusted cash control account debit. As a debtor control. As well as it has given thing about debit side. It has given checkbook charges 20,000. Bank charges. It has given 50,000. As well as dishonor checks available. Think about this is the dishonor deposited checks. It has available credit side of the bank statement. Think about this one. Available debit side. This is a deposited dishonor checks. අපි deposit කළාට bank එක add කරලා නැහැ. Add කරලා deduct කරලා තියෙන බලන්න. This is a deposited dishonor checks. If those are available debit side in the bank statement, should be recorded credit side of the adjusted cash control accounts. Therefore, bank charges, checkbook charges, dishonor deposited checks. This is a check received from debtor, then dishonor. But it's a double entry. Debtors control account debit, cash control account credit. There's double entry for dishonor deposited checks also. If those are available debit side, should be recorded credit side in the adjusted cash control accounts. Right, adjusted cash control account credit side as a bank charges, value equal bank charges 50,000, as well as checkbook charges, as well as deposited dishonor checks. Deposited dishonor checks as a trade receivable. Deposited dishonor checks should be recorded adjusted cash control accounts. Think double entry for deposited dishonor checks, debtors account debit, adjusted cash control account credit. Right, there are 3 steps we have discussed. Normally 4 steps should be applied. After that, think about first one, opening balance of cash control account should be compared with opening balance of bank statement. Second one, cash receipt journal should be compared with credit side of the bank statement. Third one, cash payment journal should be compared with debit side of the bank statement. And fourth steps, see the cash receipt journal and cash payment journal analysis column. On analysis column එකේ total එක හරිද කියලා බලන්න ඕන. Step number 4th one, cash receipt journal analysis column total value. Analysis column එකේ total එක හරිද කියලා බලන්නත් ඕන. ඒවද cash control එකේ තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්නත් ඕන. Cash payment journal also same way. See the analysis column total value. මුලින්ම analysis column එකේ total එක හරිද කියලා බලන්න. ඊට පස්සේ total එකද cash control එකේ තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්නත් ඕන. ඔන්න බලන්න analysis column total එක වැරදුනොත් those are should be adjusted in the adjusted cash control accounts. But in this example, total value is correct. Total value is correct as well as total value available cash control account also. එතන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Right now, all the information we have discussed. Think unrealized checks, unpresented checks. දැන් තේරුම් ගන්න opening balance එක equal නැත්නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? Why we have to prepare bank reconciliation? How to recognize unpresented, unrealized checks? And if same check recorded twice, how to correct it? Think about error made by banks also it has given. Sometimes it has given in the bank statement. On bank statement එකේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන් වෙන කට්ටියගේ check අපේ account එකෙන් අඩු කරලා. එහෙම නැත්නම් වෙන accounts තියෙන කට්ටියට අදාළ checks අපේ account එකට add කරලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන් බලන්න. Those are called error made by banks. අන්න ඒවා අපිට adjust කරන්න බෑ. correct කරන්න බෑ. Those are should be include statement of bank reconciliation. Error made by banks. බැංකුව වැරදිලා අපේ account එකෙන් අඩු කරලා වෙන කට්ටියගේ check. නැත්නම් වෙන කට්ටියට අදාළ check අපේ account එකට add කරලා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. Error made by banks. Those are should be include statement of reconciliation. But in this example, it has not given error made by banks. Now, complete adjusted cash control accounts and pay the closing balance. Adjusted cash control accounts. Debit side total amount equal 825,000. Take that value credit side and difference value as a balance carried down. Therefore, difference value equal 645,000. That value should be included debit side as a balance brought forward. Debit side as a balance brought forward 645,000. That value should be included in the statement of bank reconciliation as opening balance 645,000. Then take addition total value as well as deduction. Unpresented checks take total value as well as take unrealized checks total value. Unrealized. Unpresented checks should be added. Take here total value. This one plus this one here total value equal 1,347,000. From that value deduct this one. Closing balance equal 300,000. If it is correct, closing balance should be equal bank statement balance. Or bank statement එකේ balance එකට හරිනම් equal වෙන්න ඕන. Try to recognize how to find out reason for difference. See the bank statement closing balance also. Bank statement closing balance equal 300,000. Bank statement closing balance also equal 300,000. Therefore, unrealized, unpresented checks think about. Bank statement, very important. These are the things keep in mind. Bank statement credit side available so realized checks. Bank statement debit side available presented checks. Think how to recognize unpresented, unrealized. Why it has given previous month bank reconciliation also think. Why it has given previous month bank reconciliation? Opening balances of cash control account is not equal opening balance of bank statement. That is the reason. Right now, next one, question number third one. Question number fourth one and fifth one, answers I will give. But question number third one I will discuss. Relevant for not for profit making organization. Like this example I have discussed already. Think question number third one also. Relevant for not for profit making organization. Separate question available error paper. Definitely relevant for not for profit making organization. Try to recognize subscription income, admission fees, life membership fees, accumulated fund, and special donation, normal donation. Think how to adjust. Special donation as well as normal donation. How to adjust on the financial statement also think about. Right, question number third one. Question number third one. Following information was extracted from books of accounts of sport club. Given opening and closing balance. This is like 2020 error paper. Only numbers there. I have discussed some example like that. Think about requirements. He has given 31st March 2020 and 31st March 21 balances. Accumulated fund opening balance is given. Life membership fee fund opening as well as closing balance it is given. Reason for difference, that is a value recognized as income this financial year. ඒ දෙකේ balance එක තමයි මේ අවුරුද්දේ income විතර ගත්තේ ගන්න. Normal life membership fee, total value cannot be considered as income. Total value cannot be considered as income. Part of value should be considered as income, and balance part should be included. Balance part should be included separately under equity, under accumulated fund. And sport equipment purchase fund is special donation available, can be considered as income if sport equipment was purchased by using fund. Fund එක use කරලා තිබ්බොත් විතරයි ඊට අදාළ ගාන income එකක් විතර ගන්න. Special donation as well as given built-in fund also. මොන බලන්න create කරලා තියෙන fund එකකට donation හම්බුනොත් at the time of receipts cannot be considered as income. Fund එක use කළොත් විතරයි income එකක් විතර අපි ගන්න. Fund එකේ තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? donation. හැබැයි කවදා හරි මේවා income වලට යනවා. හම්බෙන වෙලාවෙම income විදිහට ගන්න බෑ. කොයි වෙලාවෙද income වලට ගන්න කියලා තමයි තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. Fund එකකට donation හම්බෙලා තිබුණොත් ඒ donation income විදිහට ගන්න ඕනේ කොයි වෙලාවෙද? fund එක use කරලා තියෙන වෙලාව. හම්බෙන වෙලාවෙ නෙවෙයි. donation කොහොමවත් income. හැබැයි යන වෙලාව තමයි තීරණය කරගන්න ඕනේ. fund එකේ තියෙන donation income වලට ගන්න ඕන කවද්ද? fund එක කවදාරි use කරපු දවසේ. Right, additional first one, it has given annual subscription for member 15,000. It has given the club had 170 members as at 31st March 21, of which 20 life members, and given life members is confined only promoters of the club. There are 20 life members. It has given life membership fee, therefore normal members available 150. As well as given annual subscription could be paid in full at the beginning of the year or monthly equal installment. ක්‍රම දෙකකට ගෙවන්න පුළුවන් බලන්න. Annual subscription could be paid in full at the beginning of the year or monthly in equal installment. It has given the members are given 10% discounts if annual subscription is paid full at once. මොන එකපාරම ගෙවවුවොත් discount එකක් දෙනවලු 10% discount. These discounts are considered as an expense of the club. These discounts should be considered as an expense of the club. මොන එකපාරම ගෙවන්නත් පුළුවන් මාසෙන් මාසෙට ගෙවන්නත් පුළුවන්. discount එක හම්බෙන්නේ හැබැයි එකපාර ගෙවවුව. 10% discounts. And given for the year end 31st March 21. For the year end 31st March 21, it has given club, it has given 120 members. 120 members paid annual subscription at once at the beginning of the year. It has given, which is included 50 new members joined the club on 1st April 2020. Other paid subscription on monthly basis. Think 120 members paid full subscription at the beginning of the year. It has given, of which 50 new members joined the club on 1st April 2020. Think it has given number of members available 170, but it is include 20 life members. 20 life members. It means normal members available 150, but during the current period also join new members 50 members. Think how many members available? 150 normal members available, as well as during the current period join 50 new members also. 50 new members also. Therefore, normal members available. Think total normal members. Total normal members equal 200. 170 were in 150 normal members. 20 life members. As well as new members join 50. Therefore, normal members available during the current period 200. 120 members are paid full subscription at once. It means balance part paid monthly basis. As well as given other paid subscription monthly basis. Therefore, first one, second one, third one, 11 for subscription. Last year paper only numbers changed. And fourth one, donation receipts are recognized in income based on extent of use. If donation is used, it should be considered as income. Fund donation. Additional 5, think about. In 31st March 2021, club expend 900,000 to purchase sport equipment. Think sport equipment purchase fund available, but expend 900,000 for sport equipment purchase. Cash account credit, sport equipment account debit, but given of which 800,000 was obtained from sport equipment purchase fund. But fund එක use කරලා තියෙන්නේ 800,000 විතරයි. But sport equipment purchase 900,000. Cash account credit, sport equipment account debit 900,000. හැබැයි fund එකේ තියෙන සල්ලි වලින් පාවිච්චි කරලා තියෙන්නේ 800,000. Therefore, as income should be considered. Think sport equipment purchase fund, it is available donation. අන්න ඒ වගේ income වලට ගන්න fund එක use කරපු වෙලාවට. ඔන්න fund එක use කරලා sport equipment purchase කරලා තියෙන්නේ 800,000. Therefore, that value should be considered as income also. Therefore, sport equipment purchase fund account debit, that value should be considered as income. Income statement as income, as a donation. ඔන්න බලන්න fund එකේ තියෙන්නේ donation. අන්නේ donation කවදා හරි income වලට යන්න ඕන කවදා හරි. හැබැයි ඒක යන්නේ fund එක use කරපු දවසට විතරයි. Think for purchase sport equipment only 800,000 use. Therefore, that value and it equal ප්‍රමාණයක් විතරයි income වලට ගන්න ඕනේ donation වලින්. is fund එකේ තියෙන donation. Think additional 6. Project proposal was developed on 1st December 2020, incurring 201,000 to construct an indoor stadium. Think what project proposal was developed, incurring 201,000. That is the expense of the business. But given a donation of 8 million was received in this respect, 1st January 2021. Donation receipts, cash account debit, donation account credit, built-in fund account credit, built-in fund account balance also available, and given, and it is recorded in the built-in fund accounts. Cash account debit, built-in fund account credit. මොකද දැන් තියෙන්නේ donation ඔය තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ අන්නේ donation කවද්ද income වලට ගන්න අපි. කවදාරි built-in එක හදපු දවසට විතරයි income වලට ගන්න ඕන බලන්න. දැන් මේ fund එකේ තියෙන donation. Donation කියන්නේ income එකක් සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. හැබැයි income වලට ගන්න බෑ. This is special donation. ගන්න පුළුවන් කවදා හරි built-in එක හදලා ඉවර වෙන දවසට. තමයි අර donation විදිහට හම්බෙච්ච ගාන income එකක් වෙන්නේ. But given here, however, the club failed to commence construction of this stadium as expected due to COVID-19 outbreak in the country. Therefore, think about donation received amount. It has not used. Building was not constructed. Therefore, received amount cannot be considered as income. ඔන්න තාම income එකක් විතර ගන්න බෑ. කවදාරි building එක හදපු දවසට තමයි fund එකේ තියෙන value එක income එකක් වෙන්නේ. And given other operating expense of the club for the year end 31st March 21 was 650,000. Think about requirements. This is the last paper, only numbers change. I have discussed already like this example. There's income statement for the year end 31st March 21, as well as there's equity as at 31st March 21. Think equity available, life accumulation fund available, life membership fee fund available, as well as sport equipment fund available, and building fund available. Those are the equity. There's closing balance. Therefore, you have to calculate life membership fee fund, sport equipment purchase fund, as well as building construction fund. Closing equity also they ask. First fund, prepare the income statement. Income minus expense. Income statement available, income minus expense. Income statement. Income statement can be prepared by using income minus expense. Therefore, prepare a statement. Prepare a statement, income minus expense. This is the way income statement. Sales and purchase not available. This is a not for profit making organization. Therefore, take from the beginning income. Therefore, this is income statement. Income statement for the year end 31st March 21. For the year end 31st March 2021. Record values in 1000. Record values in 1000. Take from the beginning income minus expense. Income minus expense. Income minus expense can be calculated surplus or deficits. Therefore, this is the format for income statement. Normal income statement, but sales and purchase not available. Main purpose is not for generate profit. Therefore, income minus expense. Prepare format like that. As well as there's equity also. There's equity also. Like there's equity also. Prepare separate working for equity also. Equity available, there are 4 parts. Accumulated fund, as well as life membership fund, and sport equipment purchase fund. It can be prepared like changes in account, changes in equity statement, like that also can be prepared. There is no specific format. Therefore, there are 4 parts available. Prepare separate working for that also. There is no specific format. A specific format it has given only for company. Therefore, think about this is a statement of change in equity of the not for profit making organization. Plus minus, then closing balance should be calculated. Equity එක වැඩි වෙනවා plus කරන්න ඕන අඩු වෙනවා ඩිඩක්ට් කරන්න ඕන. Therefore, this is the equity of the not for profit making organization. Equity. Equity. There is no specific format. Equity of the club. For the year end 31st March 21. For the year end 31st March 2021. Like statement of change in equity. Think about there are 4 parts. It has given equity, accumulated fund, as well as life membership fee fund. Record given information. There's closing balance, equity, second requirements. Therefore, topic accumulated fund, life membership fee fund, sport equipment purchase fund, as well as building fund, equity of the business. Those are should be included under equity separately. Opening balance also given. Record values in 1000. Record values in 1000. Plus value at minus value deduct. We are going to calculate closing balance. First one, take the opening balances also. Second requirements, equity they ask. Opening balance, it has given previous year closing balance. Those are the values should be considered as opening balance, as a balance brought forward. It has given accumulated fund 2.2 million. First one, record given information. And life membership fee fund also given opening balance equal 900. Sport equipment fund opening balance equal 1,000,000 to 1,000. Building construction fund opening balance is not given. As well as closing balance is also given. This is a balance brought forward 1st April 2020. Previous year closing balance became this year opening balance. And some information should be added, space for that. Some information we have deduct, space for that. And closing balance also given. Therefore, take the closing balances also. It has given closing balances, life membership fee fund accounts. Therefore, balance as at 31st March 2021. Life membership fee fund account closing balance it has given 700. And building construction fund account closing balance it has given. Opening balance it has not given. Therefore, this is a donation received amount during the current period. Opening balance is not given. Right. There are two requirements. First one they ask income statement, and second one they ask equity closing balance. Right now, think about transaction. Think about transaction. First one, think about first one, second one, third one, 11 for subscription. Annual subscription per member 15,000. The club had 170 members as at 31st March year 2020. This one 31st March 2020 means previous year closing date. Of which 20 life members. The life members is confined only promoters of the club. Life membership fee it has given opening closing balance. Think 170 members available beginning of the year. Therefore 170 minus. Think about normal members beginning of the year. 170 minus 20. Therefore normal members beginning of the year available 150,000. This is the normal members beginning of the year. Therefore normal members beginning of the year. Normal members beginning of the year 150,000. 150. Life members 20. It value is given. Think about life members opening closing balance. What is the reason for difference? That is a value considers income. As income during the current period, consider 200,000. Therefore, that value should be deduct from life members. It should be considered as income. On a life members lagi hambecchi salli වලින් එකපාරම income එකක් විතර ගන්න බෑ. Think about decrease by 2,000. That is the value considered as income during the current period. Therefore, it should be recorded under income as a life membership fee. That is the value should be considered as income during the current period. Life membership fee as income should be considered 200,000. That value should be deduct from life members. Therefore, recognize amount as income. As income. Therefore, income statement as income consider 2,000. That value should be deduct. On a fund එකෙන් අඩු වෙලා income වලට යනවා. අන්න එහෙම අවුරුදු ගාණක් යනකම් යනවා බලන්න. Relevant fund account debit, deduct, it should be considered as income. As let's think about second part. You have to calculate subscription received amounts as the subscription income. It has given discount also. Annual subscription could be paid in full at the beginning of the year or monthly in equal installment. එක්කෝ එකපාරම ගෙවන්න පුළුවන්ලු. එහෙම නැත්නම් මාසෙකට මාසෙන් මාසෙ ගෙවන්න පුළුවන් equal installment. Given the members are given 10% discounts if the annual subscription is paid on full at once. ඔන්න එකපාරම ගෙවුවොත් තමයි discount එක හම්බෙන්නේ. These discounts are considered as an expense of the club. These discounts are considered as an expense of the club. Therefore, think how to calculate discounts. At the same time, think about third one also. Third transaction also relevant for subscription. Think normal members available 150 and given for the year end 31st March 21. 120 members paid annual subscription at once at the beginning of the year. 120 paid. It has given which is included 50 new members join the club on 1st April 2020. Think normal members available 150 and join new members 50 members beginning of the year. Other paid subscription monthly basis. Now think about number of normal members available during the accounting period, how much? Therefore, normal number of members, number of normal members, number of normal members, number of normal members equal 150 beginning of the available plus 50. Therefore, number of normal members available 200. Out of 200, 120 members paid full. It means balance part paid, balance 80 members paid monthly basis. Therefore, cash received or not as an income we have to consider 200 members available. Therefore, think about subscription income. Subscription income. Subscription income equal number of members available 200 and annual subscription per member equal 15,000. Therefore, 200 into 15,000, that is a value should be considered as a subscription income. Cash received or not? It has given 120 members paid at once, total value, as well as balance members also paid, but monthly basis. Therefore, paid or not as income should be considered 200 into 15,000. Therefore, as income should be considered 3 million. This is a subscription income. But it has given if subscription paid at once, discount allowed 10% for that. Therefore, now try to calculate discounts. It should be considered as expense. Therefore, 120 members paid subscription at once. In subscription paid at once, it is relevant for discount calculation. Therefore, try to calculate subscription paid at once. Subscription paid at once. It has given subscription paid at once. Subscription paid at once can be calculated. 120 members paid, membership fee per member equal 15,000. Therefore, take the value 120 into 15,000. Therefore, 1.8 million. 1.8 million paid subscription at once. Based on that value, now discount can be calculated. If it has paid at once, 10% discounts. Therefore, discounts, it should be considered as expense. Discount therefore discount value equal, think paid at once value equal 1.8 million. Based on that value, 10%. Therefore, 10% value equal 108,000. Therefore, discount should be considered as expense. But as incomes received or not, you have to consider 3 million. Received or not should be considered 3 million. They don't ask financial position. Therefore, no need to calculate subscription receivable, subscription received in advance, no need to calculate. Cash received or not, for the year value should be considered as income. Number of members available 200. Annual membership fee is given 15,000. Therefore, 15,000 into 200, that is the value should be considered as income. If it has paid at once, 10% discount allowed, that is the expense of the business. Therefore, discount should be considered as expense. Subscription income should be considered as income. They don't ask financial person. They don't ask current assets, non-current assets. All the members paid, but 120 members paid at once, balance members paid monthly basis. Therefore, as income 3 million, as a discount 180 expense. Therefore, under income, as a subscription income, as a subscription income. And income should be included, value equal 3 million. Record values in 1000, as well as discount allowed, discount expense, discount allowed value equal advance paid 1.8 million. Based on that value, 10% calculated already. Therefore, value equal 108,000. Values in 1000, 108. Expense. Therefore, additional 1, 2, 3 we have discussed. Relevant for subscription. Think life members opening closing balance sheet as given. By using those information, can be recognized life membership fee recognized amount as income. Then think fourth one. Donation received are recognized in income based on use. If it is used, it should be considered as income. At the same time, think about additional fourth one. In 31st March 21, club expend 900,000 purchase sport equipment. Cash account credit, sport equipment account debit. They don't ask cash accounts. If they ask cash account, you have to record it. If they ask financial position, it should be recorded. But think about it, it is given of which 800,000 was obtained from sport equipment fund. But fund එක use කරන්න 800,000 විතරයි. එනගන fund එකේ තියෙන donation වලින් income වලට ගන්නකොට අපි ගන්න ඕනේ 800,000 විතරයි. 900,000 ගන්න බෑ. 900,000 purchase කළාට donation වලින් use කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Fund එක use කරලා තියෙන්නේ 800,000 විතරයි. Therefore, as sport equipment, donation for sport equipment as income should be considered 800,000. That value should be deduct from sport equipment purchase fund. And income as a donation for sport equipment. Think about as income. Donation for sport equipment. දැන් අපි යන්නේ sport equipment purchase කරපු එක record කරන්න නෙවෙයි. අන්නේ purchase කරපු නිසා හම්බෙච්ච donation වලින් කොච්චරක් income වලට ගන්න ඕනද? Reason it has given sport equipment purchase fund. මේ fund එකේ තියෙන donation. අන්නේම කවදාරි income වලට ගන්නේ fund එක use කරන දවසට. දැන් fund එක use කරලා 800,000 used for purchase sport equipment. ඊළඟ අර කලින් හම්බෙච්ච donation එක දැන් තමයි income වෙන්නේ. Therefore, under income should be include 800,000 as a donation for sport equipment. That value should be deduct from sport equipment purchase fund. Within brackets 700, so 800. 800 should be deduct from sport equipment purchase fund as income. As income should be considered 800,000. On a fund එක හම්බෙච්ච donation income වලට යන වෙලාව බලන්න. Next one. Additional 4, 5 we have discussed. Think additional 5. Additional 6. It has given project proposal was developed on 1st December 2020, incurring 200 to construct indoor stadium. Therefore, think about incurring 200,000. Project proposal was developed, incurring 200,000. That is expense. Paid in cash, cash account credit should be considered as expense. To construct indoor stadium. ඔන්න ඉස්සරම් project proposal එක අපි හදලා. ඒකට ගියපු ගාන වියදමක් expense එකක්. Should be included under expense as a project proposal expense. 200,000. Paid in cash. Income statement under expense as a project proposal expense. Value equal 200,000. Record value is 1,200. As well as it has given donation of 800,000 was received in this respect on 1st January 2021. Donation received. It is recorded in the building fund. However, club failed to commence construction of this building stadium as expected due to COVID-19 outbreak of the country. One donation අපිට හම්බුණාට තාම පටන් ගන්න නෑ මේක. Therefore, that received amount cash account debit, building fund account credit. That value should be included under building fund. Think opening balance is not available. Therefore, received donation during the current periods. Cash account debit, building fund account credit. Therefore, donation received amounts. Donation received in cash. Donation received. Cash account debit, building fund account credit. Think what opening balance is not given. During the current period, donation received. අර බලන්න income විදිහට ගන්න බෑ හම්බෙන වෙලාව. කවදාරි මේක income එකක් වෙනවා building එක හදලා ඉවරනට පස්සේ. Special donation. Normal donation at the time of receipts can be considered as income. But special donation, think about donation received for created fund. කවදාරි මේක income වලට යන්නේ building එක හදලා ඉවරනට පස්සේ විතරයි. එතකම් fund එකේ තියෙන. Right, additional last one. It has given other operating expense for the year end 31st March 21 was 650,000. Other operating expense also should be included income statement as expense. Value equal 650 and expense other operating expense 650. Therefore, income minus expense surplus can be calculated. Last year paper. Then there it has given small information. There's income statement as well as equity. Think equity of the not-for-profit making organization. Active Mewlet Fund, Life Membership Fee Fund, as well as donation received for created fund. Equity of the club. Right, first one, try to compute income statement. Take income total value as well as expenses total value. Income as well as expenses take total value. Income minus expense take income total value. Income total value equal 4,000 as well as expenses total value. Expense total value equal expense total value equal 1,030. Income minus expense can be calculated surplus. Income minus expense can be calculated surplus. Therefore, here difference value equal 907. This is the surplus. Surplus mean profit. Surplus should be included under accumulated fund. Accumulated fund ke part එක. Therefore, under accumulated fund, surplus should be added. Therefore, surplus should be added to the accumulated fund. Now try to calculate gross in equity also. Surplus Think here total incomes. Right, all the information we have discussed. Subscription we have discussed. So account fund opening balance equal 2,200. Active mutual fund opening balance equal 2,200. It is okay. And surplus. Sorry. Here difference value. There is a mistake here. This one minus this one here total difference value surplus equal 2,970. Here 2,970. Therefore, surplus should be include part of account fund 2,970. Now try to calculate closing equity also. Surplus calculated. Now try to calculate closing equity. Therefore, accumulated fund closing balance 2,200 plus 2,970. Therefore, here will be equal 5,170. This is the closing balance of equity. Closing balance. As well as life membership fee fund closing balance. Life membership fee fund closing balance. Now try to calculate closing balance also. Here 5,107. This is a closing balance. There's closing equity also. As well as sport equipment purchase fund closing balance equal 400. Therefore, this is the closing equity. Like statement of change in equity, not for profit making organization, also available equities. Think about account fund, life membership fee fund, available life membership fee as income should be considered only part of value. ඒවා හම්බෙන වෙලාවෙ එකපාරම ගන්න බෑ income වලට. අවුරුදු ගාණක් තුල අපි ක්‍රමානුකූලව ගන්නවා. Therefore, recognize amount as income should be deducted from fund account. It should be include income. As well as think about is personal donation. Donation received for created fund. Create කරලා තියෙන fund එකකට donation හම්බුනොත් හම්බෙන වෙලාවෙ income විදිහට ගන්න බෑ. කවදාරි fund එක use කළොත් විතරයි income වලට යන්නේ. Therefore, this is the way you have to prepare income statement as well as closing balance of equity. Think requirement they ask equity asset 31st March 21. Therefore, try to calculate closing balance also. Equity closing balance also you have to calculate. Equity closing balance. There's closing equity. Therefore, try to calculate total amount also. Separate columns for total. There's equity total value. Therefore, here as a total. Opening balance total will be equal 5,300. Opening balance total will be equal 4,300. And here minus 200, 800 minus, as well as 8,000 plus, and 2,970 plus. If it is correct, closing balance should be equal here total amount also. 5,170 plus 700 plus 400 plus 8,000. Therefore, closing balance should be equal 14,207. If it is correct, here total value also same answer. Plus value add, minus value deduct. Therefore, same answer. Think how to calculate equity, not for profit making organization, as well as manufacturing accounts, band reconciliation. Question number next one, question number 4 and 5. relevant for overweight lesson. ඒක මම ආන්සර් එක දෙන්නම්. ඒගොල්ලෝ හදපු ආන්සර් එකත් එක්ක කම්පයර් කරලා බලන්න. Allocation, apportionment, reapportionment, and absorption ratio should be calculated. Therefore, from the beginning, try to recognize manufacturing department as well as service department also. Right, class එක අද නවත්තනවා මෙතනින්. ඉතුරු question දෙකේ answers දෙක දාන්නම් මම. From next month, physical class will be started. ඒක කැමැති කට්ටිය මට පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න විස්තර. කොහොමද දෙකම කරන්න බෑ. එක කරනවා physical විතරයි කරන්නේ නැත්නම් online class එක විතරයි කරන්නේ. දෙකෙන් එකයි කරන්න මොකක් හරි. බලමු ළමයිගේ requirement එකත් එක්ක. මට හිතෙනවා physical class කරත් හොඳයි කියලා. right, ඉතුරු ටික හදන්න ඕගොල්ලෝ. හදපු answer එකත් එක්ක බලන්න මම answer එක දාන්න. right, I go on.